Hey, what have I done? One neck, I am sorry, but I told you. I wanted you to abort that pregnancy. I am not ready for marriage yet. If my supervisor hears of this, he will definitely not be happy with me. I will lose this great promotion ahead. I'm sorry, one neck, but I can't lose what I have always dreamt about. Oh no.
So I told them to clear all these ones.
Okay.
So if you go down the river, that's where the land is.
Okay.
That is over there. No, now the tree is not that one. You don't want to collect your own land.
Yes, I will.
So behind, that is where they will give it to them.
Okay.
But don't let the youth know.
They won't.
That's why you know Bama.
They will not.
That's why you know Bama.
This is my orders.
Adoma. No. How are you?
I'm fine.
No.
Thank you.
No, pick it up. Oh. Adoma.
Hey. Sorry.
No. No.
Thank you.
No. No.
Yeah, Michelle. Are you seeing what I am saying?
Are you asking me? It is you that I will ask if you saw what I saw.
Hey. Is that not pregnancy that I am saying so?
Well, I think she's betrothed to somebody.
It had better be.
In that case, I think we should go home and go and meet Iuku and find out by ourselves.
Yes.
You know, because here now,
Otherwise.
So let us go. Let us leave the land first. The youth can take care of that. Yes.
Before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna ribbon and bamboo and fall. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd.
So this is true, my dear. It is no longer a new thing that Waneka is pregnant. Everybody has seen it in this village.
Hey! We get our claims earlier than all the virgins in this land has finally taken in. My friend.
We should call her pregnant virgin or Virginia Ikore.
Wonder shall never end. My sister, let's go there. Hey.
Now you are walking alone, with a heavy heart, the guilty and shame follows you everywhere you go. You never have rest, even if you try to.
People say that when a person walking alone in the jungle sees a small serpent, it turns out to be a big python in his eyes. It takes the wisdom of an ancient man to differentiate between a happy smile and an ugly smile.
You are the true son of your father.
I'm much here and I saw something earlier today that is not really pleasing to us. And we felt that we should come and to find out if what we saw was really correct or not.
To find out if an elder like you is actually at home while children mistake a kite for a vulture.
Yes.
Okay? Correct. I know where you people are going. Because these gray hairs on my head is not mere decorations. What you people saw was correct. And I did what I was supposed to do as the owner. Yes, I'm the father of this house. But you know, I can take a horse to the stream. But to force the horse to drink water is not my responsibility. Are you trying to tell me, I mean us, that one nigga
is not betrothed to any man yet. And now she is put into the family with what is meaning? Are you trying to say it?
The man responsible for the pregnancy is denying it.
Let her point to the man and show us and leave the rest for us. We'll see what we do.
We will not let him go scot-free. Yes. Knowing fully well the danger that befalls our daughter if he doesn't marry her. Okay?
Yes.
We will not let him go.
We know what to do.
Yes, so.
In our community, what we hold dear is our tradition and custom. We don't joke with it. I mean, we don't play with it. It is a taboo for a girl that is not married to bring forth a child under a parent's roof.
Ma'am, we don't tolerate it at all. Tell them.
It is either the man marries the girl or she is banished from this community with that evil child.
Yes. You know, a child that the fatherhood is not known is an evil child.
Yes.
And we don't harbor evil in our community. We don't do it.
Oh, CJ.
Hey. What we are trying to explain to you is that one of our dear daughters in this community by name Nnanna, we love her so much. Though our parents are dead, our brothers and sisters no more, but we in this community, we love her so much. And one of your boys got her pregnant. That is why we are asking you to go and tell him to marry her. Otherwise, we will face the wrath of this community.
Yes, yes, agreed. Because we cannot punish our own. Yes, we cannot punish her. An innocent orphan. No. Instead, we will do anything in our power to make him, that boy, marry her by force. You must marry her by force. Yes.
Please, elders, if I may ask, which of my boys is that? What is that thing they call him?
Mike. Yes. Mike.
Mike?
Yes.
No. I can't believe this. It's not possible.
What do you mean?
No. I know my boys are reckless. I'm aware of how they indulge with all this hide and seek with the girls of this village. But Mike is an exception. I can vouch for Mike. Mike cannot defile himself with this girls. No, it's not possible.
You get that? Let him go and confront him first. The boy accepted to have done it once with Nnanna.
Hey, really? All right. I need to go and ask Mike first. Just give me 15 minutes. I'll be right back.
But if possible, bring him, drag him. Well, you see, rope, drag him, bring him here.
Yes.
Let us see him.
Do just that.
Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, with you. Yeah, with you. Okay. Yeah, with you. But I'm going to
You have to get to the truth.
It can't be lying. It can't be letting go.
Here you go.
Are you sure of what Nnanna told you? Are you sure it is true?
That's exactly what I was going to ask. The question I was going to ask.
She is still insisting that the boy is responsible. But the boy told me that Nnanna has been sleeping with all the boys in the camp. It was only once he touched her. Akarabasa.
Hey.
Yeah, no lupulie.
Hey. Alumere.
Alupulie.
Hey.
No lupulie.
Hey.
Hey. Yeah, no.
Why have you brought shame to your family and the whole community? After much.
No. So after everything I told you, Mike, you still went ahead to live a purposeless and a careless life.
Oga, I don't live carelessly here. You can ask anybody, ask the boy so. I don't.
So why did you get that girl pregnant?
Which girl, Oga? I did not give anybody, I did not get anybody pregnant.
Are you trying to tell me that no one has confronted you about getting their daughter pregnant?
To God who made me, Oga. To God. I did not. If it's about that girl, don't mind that girl. Oh. I dismissed that issue before her parents. That girl has been following me around, disturbing me. She wants me to marry her. It's love by force. That's how she'll be going around, sleeping with all these boys in the camp. They've gotten her pregnant now. She wants me to take responsibility of what I know nothing about. I did not.
But the father said you accepted that you people had it once, two of you.
I accepted I touched her. I just touched. I did not sleep with her. We did not do anything. I only kissed and touched her. Just out of mistake.
You touched her where? Where did you touch her?
Oga, just romancing and kissing before Oliver came in. And I left.
You are telling me the truth.
Oga, I swear. Allah. Let me go and call the boys now so they will confirm. Let me go call Oliver and other boys. I'm coming, Oga.
My elders, I must thank you all for your time. As you can see, I'm here now.
No, you're welcome.
Thank you. I did not only come with Mike, I also came with some of the boys. Because Mike himself has something different to say. Mike, over to you.
Elders, I greet you.
No, you're welcome.
This elder came to our camp with his daughter, accusing me of impregnating her. Honestly, I was so confused. I told him it's a lie, that I didn't impregnate his daughter. The truth of the matter is that she came looking for Oliver, and Oliver wasn't around. We started talking, normal talk. We were gisting. Okay, I agree. One thing led to the other. I kissed her and touched her small on her breast. So I don't know how kissing and touching, could get someone pregnant. I don't know.
Well, my elders, Nnanna is a very beautiful girl. And everybody like beautiful girls. But not only that she's very beautiful girl, she's a free giver. So in this case now, there's no how you will say that this person is responsible for her unborn child. Because she gave it to all of us in the camp. So as for Mike, I'm not sure. Because Mike don't have anything to do with girls. So, I don't know.
Hey! Ngawuziko! Hey! Nya kissing remote queen, romance remote queen, without testing remote queen. Hey! Ngawuziko! But she is still insisting that you are the one responsible for her pregnancy. You, Mike! You in particular, you.
I don't know why she's saying that. You've heard what my colleague said. You've heard what he said. From the horse's mouth. Oliver just told you people everything. I don't know. And I can't take responsibility of what I know nothing about. I didn't impregnate her. I can't take responsibility of a pregnancy that is not mine.
Nah. You think it's not right? What was the outcome of the meeting?
Nnanna must be punished. That bastard will not be harbored in this house. The tradition of our land, no one changes it. Nobody.
You mean the elders could not force the boy to marry her?
How can the elders force him when he is vehemently denying it? Even the one he said that he did with Nnanna, he even now said that it was only touching of breast. His friends that came with him not only concurred to that,
they all said that they have been sleeping with one nigga. Not only that boy. Now tell me, who do we hold responsible?
Hey!
Who?
Hey! One nigga, what has come over you, this girl? What has come over you? Huh? Look at what you've done to yourself. One nigga, why? Why? Hey!
Before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna remain
God of the orphan, God of the oppressed, you know the truth. Let your will be done. Let your will be done. Let your will be done.
This guy they pursue you. Hey,
You come back.
Baba, I go meander now. Like I take run for that one neck a case.
Why you bad though? You be bad guy. See, you just confuse the head and you just lie, put all of us together, carry give them farm, then believe you.
I had to now. I had to for my own good. That girl won't dirty my white. She won't dull my shine. Imagine, the girl won't just block things when they come for me. I had to just say, it wasn't me case. Nah? This man you try, you see as you take good confusion everywhere. Knock the elders.
I beg Mike, this one no be this one where they talk. This one no be the one where they talk now. I beg, waiting there after. I beg, put her for pocket. Bring her something.
Confirm.
This no be us. You know what if happen there?
Huh? That one no be issue now. Money no be problem. Something there.
Papa, see, I go learn one thing from you. So that all those girls who are the knack, if any of them get belle, to pass two, I go deny that. I'll come meet me, tell me I go use light to the others.
Okay. Try to learn good thing, no. Not they learn Baba. You see this one, no. You want to learn.
Waiting me now.
One day.
Give up.
I beg na me now.
Wait first.
Down now.
Come. This work will get rank.
One day.
Waiting be.
I never take my
Money. We have
Calm
money.
down.
I me do the work. I me do the work.
Find a sound from that one.
Can you just talk? Talk. One neck talk. I don't have that
I
time.
am talking. Okay. I understand everything, okay? I understand your situation. I understand that you just got promoted at your workplace and you don't want to lose your job. But Mike, you need to put me into consideration. You need to consider me.
Consider you how?
Please.
Consider you how? One neck. I asked you to abort this baby. That is unwanted. It's of no use for now. But you refused. You refused. You walked out on me. So okay, what do you want me to do now?
Biko. Okay, I'll tell you what I want you to do. See, what I want you to do is to, get a bottle of drink and call her not. And come and see my people. Make it known to them that you are responsible for this pregnancy, so they won't see my child as bastard. Please, that's all. Then when you have enough money, you can pay my bride price. Please, I beg you.
Wait. Was it your intention to tie me? Oh, that was your plan. To tie me. Eh?
Mike, please. Mike, please, I'm begging you. Mike, you know the situation at hand. Mike, please, I don't want to get banished in this village. Please, I beg you.
How can your village banish you for just mere pregnancy?
They will banish me.
Are you the only one that has ever gotten pregnant in this village?
This is
what
your flesh and blood. Mike, please. I beg you, don't do this to me.
What am I doing to you?
Come and see my people. Make it known to them that you're the father. Please, that's
you know that I am the father. That's the most important thing.
I know.
But I won't get committed to this. No. Because, see, if it's just this you called me out for, I don't have time for it.
Okay.
And what of that time, please?
Wait. I know that you are the father, but you need to make my people know that you are also the father. The villagers need to know. Everybody needs to know. Please.
Please, what you called me for something?
Please, just a bottle of drink. Mike.
You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna remove and wambuna for. You thought you're free with secrets.
There is nothing I can do. Because if you eventually put to bed in this house, the entire village will come for us. I believe the good Lord will be with you, oh?
Yes. When you get there, just tell them what I told you. And once you put to bed, do exactly what I told you to do. So that you'll be free to return to this place. Number one is this. This place belongs to you. This is your father's home. You are not an outcast. So do what I asked you to do, so that you will return to the land you belong to.
But I will miss you.
I miss you. I miss you.
The journey is far.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she was a flower blooming so fair, with a child inside and no one to care for her. Yeah. Papa, Papa, yeah, Papa, Papa, the father has gone. Dear Chimere family, she has no one to run to. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed, I disappointed. I was warned, I didn't listen.
It shall never be well with whoever that did this to this innocent girl.
Was she not the person who opened her leg for the man? Let her suffer her cross.
Shut up. Are your daughters better than her?
At least, all my daughters are still living with me. None of them has been forced to leave my house by the village elders.
We all know what they do. This innocent girl has refused to follow their way and carry her cross. So don't come here to make mouth.
What do they do, Madam Know All? What do they do?
You don't know what they do. You don't know what they do. Yeah, you want to say that I said,
you have said it already. Ikuchagoya, you have said it. You have said it already.
I don't have time for your madness. Unyara.
You stood before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna remove and for. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd.
Mike, leave me alone and talk. What?
Just hear me out now. I know you have been trying your best. It hasn't been easy for you. I'm not that heartless,
You do?
Biko. I just brought something for you. Just hold it, So you at least buy some little drugs and...
Take this filthy money off my side. Have you not humiliated me enough? Mike, have you not humiliated me enough? You're giving me money when you've already denied me. And God will judge you.
to know about her. A month later, I received an appointment letter as the new site manager of my company. The position I am enjoying till today. Eh? What happened to her? Come on, Marose. What could have killed this girl? Why did she die?
You are asking who could have killed her. You're still there asking questions. You better go back to that village and be sure of what you heard. You can't make me childless.
I am sure. It is important to me as it is to you. I'm confused.
I cannot stay without a child. I will not remain childless forever.
Be childless. Our own will come.
Hey God, oh. Hey God, oh. What kind of temptation is this one? Oh. Hey. Like you have killed me, oh. You have killed me, oh. You have killed me, oh. God. Hey.
Wait. Omeka Nnanna.
Oga Mike.
Omeka Nnanna.
Wait, no, I dey dream.
I
know dey dream.
See this one, where you dey go?
Wait. Oga Mike, you don't buy car. Oga Mike, they drive Benz.
Where you dey go?
I don't know where they go. Man, the street.
Enter car first, no with this. Enter car first.
Oga Mike, that gets so far. That girl suffer till she die. In fact, what did that girl go through before she died? Suffer. Now the least word to quantify am. That girl suffer.
But how did you know since she left the village? How you take know?
Story there everywhere now. The story there everybody tongue. According to the story, they say.
Oh yeah, no.
Who are you?
My name is Nnanna. Yes, the only daughter of Ojugo. Ojugo, the third daughter of Ozemena, married from Umilo family. The one that died together with the husband.
Hey! Ojugo!
Yes.
You are the daughter of Ojugo. I can see the face. Look at the face of Ojugo. Child. You are the one that got pregnant. And they plan to take you to your maternal home. Yes. Are you?
Yes.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey. Is this your bag?
Yes.
Bring it in.
Okay. Oh? Thank you.
No. You are welcome. Hey, Ojugo. I see the face, oh. The face looks like Ojugo's own, oh. Hey! You are welcome, my daughter. What's the dog?
I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed, disappointing. I was warned, I didn't listen. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed,
Come.
I was warned, I didn't listen.
Come.
I am dying inside, dying with it. The love that I needed, I disappointed. I was warned.
What am I doing here? This is my maternal home.
Nee, I suggest you go back to wherever you come from.
Why?
You see that woman in there? She is a victim of circumstances. She has lost all her children, her co-wives, her husband and all her husband's brothers. Now she's living alone in this house. And we are waiting for her to die so we can bury her.
At least she will not die until I leave this house.
It seems you don't understand what I'm trying to say at all. Okay, now what I'm trying to say is that staying here is not good for someone in your condition. Yes, so please leave.
Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself. Let me worry for myself.
Okay, no problem. I wish you well.
I wish you well too.
Your grandmother was my co-wife, and she was the last to die.
What is really the cause of all these deaths?
My daughter, I don't know. They said it is a curse.
A curse?
Yes.
So, this curse now, are we not part of it?
As you can see, I am here, waiting for my own turn.
Well, I believe there should be other members of the family, especially the grandchildren, who are out there living, breathing, living their life. And I also believe that they will come back here just the same way I did.
Do you have a sister or a brother?
No, not from my mother's lines.
In that case, you are the only one surviving.
You again? Come, my name is not you again. My name is Okwako.
Okwako? What is it?
Yeah, I actually come to tell you that I am not happy that you're here. Please go back to wherever you come from, okay?
Hi! What is going on? Eh? No, because I don't understand. Do I look like a child to you? Because I don't get it. Why will you tell me how to live my life? I don't understand. I am an adult. No. Allow me live my life and take responsibilities for my actions and whatever I do.
That's your concern.
I don't need it. Keep your concerns to yourself. I don't need it. What is it now? Why are you disturbing me? Do you want to live my life for me? What is the problem? Every minute, Okwako, what is it?
What is that?
She was a flower.
Mama is one girl like that is just disturbing my life. But it's nothing. You can go inside, okay?
You must be one of your neighbor's children.
Okay. Just go inside. I'm coming inside.
The father has gone. Dear Jimmy family, I got she has no one.
Mama, my tummy. Mama, my tummy. Mama, I'm having pains. I'm having serious pains.
I'm having serious. Oh, Mama. 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 Ah! Mama. Oh. Mama. 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 Mama, please. Mama, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Mama. Oh. Oh. Mama, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Mama. Mama, please. Please. Please wake up. Don't do this. Please. Ah! Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh. Mama. Oh. Mama. 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 Somebody help. Help. Mama. Mama. Somebody help. Somebody help me. Help me. Help me. Oh, Mikono. Mikono. Mama. Help me. Help me. I'm a dummy, Mikono. Hey. IRREVOCABLE. Mama. 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 Hey. Hey. Mama.
Sorry. See what I told you. I asked you to leave, but you wouldn't listen. Look at now. Sorry, oh, stop crying. Stop crying. I should be with you. Run for your life. There's a ghost living in this house.
This is strange. It's a terrible story indeed.
She's the only one living in that house. She says she no longer sleeps at night. Always afraid. I feel for her. So is there no other place you people can take her to? No other place. No other place, my fellow elders, except here. I'm begging you. Please, if there is a way we can accept her, let us arrange for it. Nobody will know about it. We shall sneak her in the midnight. And my wife will be taking care of her till she gets back.
In as much as understand the situation that is passing through, but I don't think there's anything we can do about it. She has to remain there until she gives birth to the child and getting rid of.
Yes, in respect of our culture and tradition.
Yes.
Yes. So, you mean that all this that I'm begging you people means nothing? Eh? That is means nothing to you. Look, that girl is suffering. She's passing hell.
Are you not saying that we should leave a 9-month-old pregnant girl in this community about to give birth to a bastard?
Nobody will know, please. Ihugu, listen, this earth we are marching on, this earth you are standing knows,
yes.
And the earth is the final custodian of our tradition.
Yes.
Okay? Please, I'm begging you, my fellow elders, at my knees, please.
Listen, and listen very well. We are talking about a tradition that has existed centuries before you were born.
Look, my fellow elders, we are talking about a girl that is pregnant, that needs our help. And you are talking about culture and tradition. Let me ask you, her life now and the tradition, which one is more important? You know, Wemeze? You know, Wemeze?
Yeah, good. It's like I will be going now, eh? I was never a part of this discussion.
I leave you.
Banana. Now, it's not good. Aye.
They did not agree.
They did not.
Hey!
tradition, we are made by men and can be changed by men. But human life, no one has the right to keep or to take.
Nine, I think we should go ahead and execute the plan. Nobody will hear about it. Let us just save this girl.
You don't know those men. Those elders, they will keep an eye in this house. Anytime they see anything, or once they set their eyes on her, the next punishment is to banish everybody in this house, including you and I.
Hey!
And that will be the worst.
Gini ka mmadụ ji isi kote nnọọ n'ụlọ a? What is all this? Hey! Hey!
Oh, she was a flower blooming so fair, with a child inside and no one to care for her. Yo, Aqua, Aqua, yeah, yeah, Aqua, Aqua. Oh, the father has gone. The Jimmy family are Ripogoya. She has no one to run to. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed, I disappointed. I was warned, I didn't listen. I'm alone in this world. Dying with it. I am dying inside. The love that I needed, I disappointed.
There is no food in the house, and I am very hungry. Please, help me with anything to eat.
Hey, any woman that is in this condition should not go hungry. Hey, God, but what are you still doing in that course house? Want to go back to where you came from? Whatever it is, your life is the more important thing. Eh, my dear? Hey, please.
Anything you have, just give me, let me eat. I'm hungry.
Please. Wait, I'm coming. Go and eat.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank you. Please come. Come.
Huh?
Come. My daughter, children are blessings that only God can give. No matter the circumstances that led to this pregnancy, it's still a blessing from God. My daughter, why I'm telling you this, I want you to go back to your people. Swallow the pride. Take off the shame. Once you put to bed, everything they are saying about you, they will stop. And at the arrival of the baby, it will change many things. Your people that rejected you, they will love you back. Please, I'm begging you, go back to your people.
I heard you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your words. Thank you for this food.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem, my daughter.
I appreciate it.
No problem. Please, my daughter, please. I want you to go back to the house. Pack all your things. Leave the house. I don't want you to spend any night in the house again. Please. Your life is more important. I'm begging you. Please. Everything will be fine.
I'll bring your flask when I finish eating.
Okay, my daughter.
Thank you.
I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed, I disappointed. I was warned, I didn't listen. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside.
Mike, you are the one that put me in this condition. And then you left me to suffer all by myself. Mike, if you are justified with your actions, let the heaven and the earth judge us squarely. Let heaven judge you. You put me in this situation, put me in this condition, then left me to suffer alone. Let heaven judge us.
Like a stone in the river, I was drowned without any sound at all.
Why is your face like this?
Honestly, I am so worried. I am worried.
About one nigga.
Yes. How can she be staying in that house alone?
As it stands now, our hands are tied. No matter how sincere you want to help, there's no way we can help her in this matter.
I want to visit her, at least to see how she's faring.
That's a good idea. I like that. Anytime you wish to go, just let me know so that I can organize 1 or 2 things you give to her.
Nine, I will visit her tomorrow. So you start now to organize whatever you want to organize. Because I'm going there tomorrow, first thing.
It's okay.
She was a flower, blooming so fair, with a child inside, and no one to care for her.
Okwako. 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 Help me! Oh, somebody help me.
I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed.
Okwako, help me. Okwako, help me. Okwako. Okwako. Okwako! Okwako! Okwako, help me. Okwako, help me.
I was warned, I didn't listen. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. Dying with it, yeah. The love that I needed. I disappointed. I was warned, I didn't listen. I begged, I cried, but no hope. The shame and guilty, they weigh me down like a stone in the river. I was drowning without any sound at all. Lord, when she's gone, she's gone the other side. She's gone, she's gone the other side. She's gone, she's gone the other side. I'm alone in this world. I am dying inside. The love that I needed. I disappointed. I was warned. I didn't listen.
One nigga. Neka is dead! Hey! Hey! Hey!
I'm disappointed.
What is happening here? Who are you? I'm looking for Zemena's granddaughter, one Neka. What happened? What is happening? One Neka. One Neka. One Neka. Hey! One Neka. 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 Hey! Agam Babaroro! Agam Babaroro! One Neka! One Neka! One Neka, don't do this. One Neka, please don't do this. Wake up!
Hi. My niece is gone. Tradition has killed my daughter. Tradition has killed my lovely niece. Hi. Who will console me? Who will be like one Neka for me?
Hey.
One Neka, my daughter, please. Come and get me what I'm thirsty.
Try. This world is very wicked. This world is very, very wicked. How can such an innocent girl die in pains and suffering? We lost a mother and also lost the child. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. One Neka. Hey.
You take heart. What has happened has happened. Be a man.
Yes, Agodi. After all, she treaded on the wrong path and consequences followed.
Which wrong path? Which wrong path? Was she the first girl that ever got pregnant? Was she?
Hold yourself together. Instead of you to plan of how to go and get the body of her daughter to come and bury her in our father's land, you are just here ranting
like a woman. Who is her daughter? You see your daughter? That same girl you did not allow to stay in this place and put to bed because of your fetish tradition. The same girl you are calling her your daughter. That should bring her here and bury her. No, I will never try that. Hypocrites like you people. Let the vultures feed on her carcass. And as I'm talking to you, Nana, I want you people to disappear in my house. Leave my house. If I... Look at you people. Stupid elders. Nonsense.
Did they let her bury her?
First, the guys bury him now. The only thing we say they not bury her for Papa land. Because that time we say, when she take carry the belly, the Papa beg. Even when she can't even go say like the story where I don't tell you like this now. You know, even when the belly come big self, no attention. The Papa can still call the community people again. The elders say, as it don't be like this now, nobody to take care of her. Make this girl come so that the wife will take care of her and say for year tradition and tradition, culture and culture. So when the girl can't die, the Papa say, since they don't want her where she dey alive, as she die, the community no go ever see her corpse. So the gas bury her from another side.
Oh. God bless you.
Organize. I want to ask you something. This thing I want to ask you now. It dey touch me. It dey pain me. Why you deny that girl? Because I be your boy now. I know how everything take play. You know, how they give her the love letter when they write, say make I give her. You know, how she will come. I know everything. So I know say now you get the belly. You say no be you get the belly again. The worst they say, he say she na shameful giver. Say she dey share, they give everybody, all your co-workers for the camp. Person where you say you love.
Please, Omekania. Some things are better left unremembered or said. Because can we just I just need to pull off my head on that because that was harsh.
Oh, no. I can't take this. I cannot take this. I can't take this at all. Oh, never. I'm packing. I cannot do this marriage with you. Do you hear me? I can't.
Just want to leave me and go. Why? We're in this together. Together we shall conquer. Please. Please, remember it's for better for worse.
Listen. I don't know if you understand the gravity of your problem. Okay, you are cursed for life. You are cursed, an irrevocable curse. Okay, and I cannot be here to inherit that curse with you. Please, my hands are clean. I cannot be part of your reckless life. Never. I can't do it. For better for worse. I did not come to marriage to carry curse. Curse that I did not plan for. You want me to inherit curse? Never. I will have my own child. I will give birth to as many children as I want. Nonsense. You are under a curse. Deal with your problem. I cannot be a partaker of this curse. Very irrevocable curse on your cost for life. No. Not me again that. Do you know how many children are in this? Do you know how many children are in this room? Do you know how many eggs that I have? You want to waste it for me? Never. No now. How bad? How bad? This is not the marriage I signed up for. Even the Bible said you should go into the world, be fruitful and multiply. I cannot be with a cursed man. Never. It is over. It is freaking over. It's over. I can't do this with you. I can't. Who will take care of me at old age? Who will inherit your properties? You want me to stay in this house and remain childless? Don't work. Your next life, you will learn to be useful to yourself. You will learn to be a good man. You're looking for who you will drag into your curse. Go now. Carry your cross in this place.
Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Onye lọsakwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ.
Why shouldn't I leave? Tell me, why shouldn't I leave?
I beg you, we can sort this out.
Sort what? You want me to remain here and keep having miscarriages until I lose my life? Is that what you want? Or you want me to stay here and remain childless for the rest of my life? God forbid. No, I can't do this.
Listen, baby, you're not God. We're going to give our own child at the appropriate time. God will surely give us our own child.
There is no hope again. That girl is dead. Okay, there is no hope. I need to move on with my life. I can't have a marriage without a child. I can't remain in a marriage that does not have any fruit at all. I can't do that.
Listen, the only thing that doesn't have a remedy is death. Once we are alive, there is hope. Okay? Yes, we will surely have our own child.
Which child?
There's a way out.
You want me to die? No, you want me to die. I should lose my life.
Baby,
I can't do this thing with you. Oh, where is this stupid gate man now? Come on, get this boy. Where is this boy? See, I can't.
Will you get lost?
Listen, I cannot do this thing with you. I can't, please. I can't. I'm already leaving you. Watch me. Open the gate. I cannot do this. Please, I want to have a child. I want to have a child of this. How? The girl is dead. There's no hope.
What have I gotten myself into? I can't believe my past will come haunting me. But, hey God, it wasn't intentional. One Nneka, please. Nneka, wherever you are, Biko. Please, I beg you, forgive me. I never wished you that. No. Hi. Biko, Nneka, anywhere you are, please forgive me. I can't continue to live like this. I can't continue. This is... Biko, please, God. God, please help me. Biko. Hi.
What belongs to Caesar, and give God what belongs to God. The curse was inflicted on you by tradition. And the solution must be by tradition. Stop seeking for solution at the wrong places. Go!
losokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Onye losokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Ife onye metere so, onye metere so, ife onye metere so, onye metere so. Irrevocable cause, irrevocable discourse.
To you, I am a free man. It has been broken.
Story.
Listen, no stories. Okay? I found a way to just liaise with her family members. Yes, we sat together, did some rituals, appeased her spirit. And right now I'm free. Okay? Everything is fine now. Baby, listen.
Mike, listen to me. All this explanation, it's too late for that.
Listen, baby, it's not too late.
It's too late. I have moved on.
Baby, you can move on. Listen, I love you so much and I know you love me too. Just this last time. If it happens again, just go. I will never disturb you again. Please, I beg.
Listen, Mike, it's too late, okay? And that is because I am getting married next month.